This is my 2000 Toyota Tundra with those brand new beautiful brake drums in the back. My U-bolts were actually loose. Just bought this truck, so I had some new ones made. Only cost me like $8 each at a local place. And to get them off, the old ones, I just used a standard cheapo Dremel I gotten a long time ago from, I don't know, Harbor Freight or something. And you can see just with the cutting disc, I'm already cutting through. It didn't take much time at all. Already 1/3 of the way through right here on the video. So after that, I just took a breaker bar. I think I got like 2/3 of the way through each one. Took a breaker bar and just pulled on it to crack them loose. You know, the reason I need to replace these is because they were so rusty at the nut that I could not tighten them at all. So once I got that bottom plate loose with these U-bolts, just grab those and take them out, and the plate's totally reusable. So the final step is to torque these down. And you can find that value, you know, at the dealer or online. The interior metal of these, you know, looks really nice, but the outside is just rusted, and the nut obviously would not move.